The wait is over. Marc Marquez has officially begun his journey with the Ducati factory team, stepping into their iconic red suit and testing the highly anticipated GP25 prototype. How did it feel? What's different? And could this be the bike to take him back to the top? Let's dive into the action-packed first day of this historic collaboration. On November 19, 2024, at the Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya, MotoGP fans witnessed a pivotal moment. Marc Marquez, the legendary Spaniard, joined forces with Ducati for his first test session as a factory rider. But this wasn't just about adjusting to a new bike. It was a full-scale deep dive into the world of Ducati engineering. Marquez spent almost the entire day testing Ducati's GP25 prototype. He revealed that roughly 90% of his laps were dedicated to understanding the new machine. And trust me, this was no ordinary ride. As part of the factory team, Marquez wasn't just riding for himself, he was working directly for the engineers, providing critical data to refine the bike's performance. Here's what he had to say: joining a factory team brings immense responsibility. Every session is meticulously planned, and the rider becomes an extension of the engineering team. But Marquez was quick to praise Ducati's collaborative spirit, saying the experience felt super good. So, what stood out about the GP25? Marquez highlighted two key differences. First, the engine, it's faster on the straights, a huge upgrade from the GP23 he rode with Gresini Racing. Second, the cornering behavior. It feels unique, and he's still learning to unlock its full potential. For a rider known for pushing limits, this new challenge is what makes the GP25 exciting. But here's the kicker: he wasn't alone. Pecco Bagnaia, Ducati's reigning MotoGP champion, was also testing on the same day. And guess what? Despite working on different setups, both riders gave nearly identical feedback. This alignment is a dream scenario for Ducati, simplifying the fine-tuning process as they prepare for 2025. Marquez's debut wasn't just about getting comfortable with a new bike, it was a first step into a promising future. With a faster engine, cutting-edge components, and a world-class team by his side, the possibilities are endless. So, could this be the start of a new era for Marquez and Ducati? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most thrilling seasons in MotoGP history. What do you think? Will this partnership redefine MotoGP dominance? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest MotoGP updates and exclusive insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a story.